Hello, this is Connie Belden, and I'm going to talk about income elasticity of demand from Chapter 5, page 74 of your book, and just go over how to calculate it. Let's take the demand for hamburgers. Let's assume it started at 2 hamburgers, and now it has increased to 3. Let's assume the income started at 5, and now it has increased to 6. What is the income elasticity of demand? Well, first of all, the income elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness to the quantity demanded for a good or service to a change in the income of the people demanding that good. So a positive income elasticity of demand is associated with normal goods. In other words, demand should go up as income goes up. Okay, so let's take a look at how to do the calculation. Okay, the hamburgers started at 2, went up to 3. So we want to take the increase, so 2 minus 3. Now that gives us a -1, but the hamburgers went up from 2 to 3. And then we want to take a beginning and ending average. So I added 2 plus 3 to get 5. And to average it, divide it by 2. So that gives me 2.5. We want to do the same thing with income. Income goes from 5 to 6. It goes up by 1. Or we represent that when we subtract as a -1 there, even though it did go up by 1. And then we add the beginning of 5 plus 6 for the income. That gives us 11. Divided by 2 is 5.5. Okay, now I want to take -1 divided by 2.5, and I get 0.4. Actually, -0.4. Then I want to take -1 divided by 5.5 and get 0.182, actually -0.182. But the two negatives cancel each other out to make a positive. Now, this is a percentage, so I need to multiply it by 100 to convert it to a percentage. So 0.4 gives me 40%. 0.182 gives me 18.2%. Now, I'll divide 40 by 18.2, and my answer is 2.20 for my income elasticity demand. And again, because it's a negative and a negative that I'm dividing, it does end up being a positive 2.2. Now, what does that mean? That means for every 1% increase in income, that leads to a 2.2% increase in the demand for hamburgers.